Welcome to Join Online Quran, a leading online learning institute that was born out of a love for the Quran and a passion for sharing its wisdom with the world. Established with a mission to make Quranic education accessible to all, regardless of geographic location or time constraints, Join Online Quran has been a beacon of light for those seeking to enrich their lives with the teachings of the Holy Quran. With the advent of technology, the world has become a global village, and learning is no longer confined to traditional classrooms. This realization sparked the idea of creating an online platform dedicated to Quranic learning. The vision was clear: to bridge the gap between those who yearn to learn and the lack of quality education available in their vicinity. Join Online Quran offers a plethora of courses tailored to meet the needs of every individual. For beginners, there's a foundation course that covers the basics of the Quran with a focus on correct pronunciations. For those keen on improving their reading skills, we offer an advanced Tajweed course. And for those who aspire to memorize the holy text, our Quran memorization course is just the thing. We understand the importance of early religious education and have thus designed a special Islamic study course for children. Through engaging Quranic stories, we guide them through the basics of Islam, instilling in them a love for their religion from a tender age. Our team comprises of professional multilingual male and female Quran tutors, hand-picked for this holy task. These seasoned tutors employ easy and effective techniques to ensure that every student comprehends the lessons and applies them correctly. Now, imagine the comfort of learning at your own pace and time, in the warmth of your home. No more rushing to make it on time for a class or worrying about missing a lesson. With Join Online Quran, you choose when and where you want to learn. But we don't just stop at teaching. We also offer practice sessions with some of the best reciters. What better way to perfect your recitation than to learn from those who have mastered it? Don't let this opportunity slip away. Take the first step towards getting closer to Allah Almighty. Register now for our online classes and embark on this enlightening journey. Visit our website www.joinonlinequran.com for more information. For further assistance, feel free to contact us on WhatsApp at 00923158685750. Join Online Quran, where your journey into the heart of the Quran begins.